everybody, today I'm going to be sharing with you this hummingbird feeder. It is really cool. It has nice bright glass on it. It is made out of a vintage glass. It has a really cool design on it. It has nice plastic bottom on it. It has 6 different perching spots for the hummingbirds to sit on and feed from. The flowers are nice plastic, so they are easy to clean. It also comes with a nice little cleaning brush that is really nice that you can stick in and get a good clean out of the flowers if needed. It also comes with this ant protector so that when you hang this up, you can put some liquid in here and the ants aren't able to get down to the feeder to take out all of the hummingbird food that you put in there for the hummingbirds. Like I said, it has 6 nice little perch spots, which makes it very nice for feeding a bunch of hummingbirds at the same time, so they won't have to fight over one. It is glass. The bottom is plastic. You want to make sure that when you're putting on the lid that the gasket in the bottom plastic part is on correctly so that you will not have any leaking. You will fill this up with water and then you will put on the lid, and all you have to do is screw it on there and then you can hang it up. This hummingbird feeder is 26-ounce bottle. It's large enough to feed more than one hummingbird, and you will have no need to add nectar frequently. This hummingbird feeder would be a great gift for family members, friends, elderly, and children, bringing fun and enjoyment to life. I would highly recommend this hummingbird feeder as it is a beautiful hummingbird feeder that the hummingbirds will be attracted to due to the color, and it is very easy to clean and very easy to get ready to feed the hummingbirds. I would highly recommend this product.